Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create Plutio proposal on ConvertBox form submission. So here I have added ConvertBox on my website, and now as any lead that is interested in my services or product can fill out that form. Now by filling out that form, I'm going to get all the detail of my lead, and as I'm going to get all the detail or the inquiry detail from my lead and that form submission from ConvertBox, then automatically by using that detail, I want to create a new proposal in Plutio. So here I'm going to create this proposal for my services, and for creating the proposal automatically, I need to build a connection between ConvertBox and Plutio. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new form submission through ConvertBox, then automatically by using all those form submission detail, I want to create a new proposal in Plutio. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create Plutio proposal on ConvertBox form submission. So in this video, we will dive into a practical automation that can enhance your client onboarding process. So by creating Plutio proposal automatically when a ConvertBox form is submitted, and here imagine you are running a business where capturing leads and quickly responding with a proposal is crucial to converting prospects into clients. Now every time someone fills out a ConvertBox form on your website expressing interest in your services, you need to manually draft a proposal in Plutio. But manually doing this can be time consuming and lead to delays. So by automating this process, you ensure that a tailored proposal is generated and ready to send the moment a lead submits their information. So this not only speeds up your response time, but also allows you to focus more on building relationships and closing deals. So in this video, I will guide you through setting up this integration using Pabbly Connect so you can streamline your workflow and improve your business efficiency. So here what we are going to do is we are going to connect ConvertBox with Plutio in such a way that as our lead is going to fill out a form that we have added in our website, and as that lead is going to fill that form, then automatically we will get all that lead detail, and as we are going to receive that detail, then automatically we want to create a proposal for that lead. And as we know that he is interested in our service, so we will create a proposal for our service for that lead. Now here for building this automation and for doing this automatically, I need to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to build a connection between ConvertBox and Plutio, and by using Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I need to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Plutio proposal on ConvertBox form submission. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and this will take us to this window. So this is the window of our workflow, and here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So we need to first set up our trigger, and in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up our trigger, I need to first give my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be ConvertBox. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select ConvertBox here. Now I need to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new lead submission will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect ConvertBox with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between ConvertBox and Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I'm gonna take you to my ConvertBox account. And here in my account, I have this box of 3-space group. So this is also my form that I have added in my website. And by filling out this form, I'm going to receive the detail of my leads that are interested in my service. So here I need to connect this form and this box with Pabbly Connect. And for that, I need to first click here. I need to click on edit. And now here in edit, what I need to do is I need to first click on my form. I need to go to form settings. And here in form settings, I have this option of actions. And here in actions, I need to first select my action. And here I need to first select this action of go to next step. So this is going to be my action. And now I need to go to integrations. And here in integrations, I need to add a new integration. So I'm going to click on this add integration button. And here I need to first select my integration. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to use my integration as webhooks. So I'm going to select this. And I need to give my webhook URL. So here I'm going to paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now what I need to do is I need to click on add integration button. And I'm going to click on save. And in my form, I have successfully added my integration or my webhook URL. And now as I have added this integration, what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new form submission from my lead, then automatically all the detail of my lead who is interested in my service, I will get that response in Pabbly Connect. Now I need to click on next and I'm going to click on finish. I will go to my dashboard and I have successfully created my integration. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, what I need to do is I need to first make a form submission in my ConvertBox account. So I need to make the form submission as a new lead. And as I'm going to fill that form, then automatically I will receive the response of that lead here in Pabbly Connect. So for doing that, I'm going to open my form in a new tab. And here this is my inquiry form that my interested leads are going to find in my website. So after filling out this form, I'm going to get all the detail of my lead. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill all these details as a new lead. So here the first name of my lead is going to be John. Last name will be Doe. Email will be johndoe@pabblytudes.com. And I'm going to give a random phone number of my lead. So this is the random phone number of my lead. And here the city of my lead will be Bhopal. And here I need to give the name for proposal. So here I have to give the name of my lead or the business name of my lead. And here I need to fill the name for which I want to create the proposal. So here the name will be Easy Trade, which is the name of the business of my lead. And now I need to click on submit. So here I have successfully submitted this form. And now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response. And in this, I have all the detail of my lead who has submitted my form in ConvertBox. So here I have the first name that is John. I have the last name that is Doe. I have the random phone number of my lead. Also I have the email that is johndoe@pabblytudes.com. Here I also have my campaign name that is 3-space group. I have the name for proposal that is Easy Trade. And I have the address city that is Bhopal. So here we can see that automatically I have received all these details of my lead. And now what I need to do is by using all these lead detail, I know that this lead is interested in my service and he wants a consultancy service for their business. Now, as I have received this lead, what I need to do is I need to first create a proposal for my service in Plutio. So automatically by using all these details of the lead, I am going to create a new proposal in Plutio for the consultancy service. So before creating a proposal, I need to first add this lead as a person in my Plutio account. So for that, I need to add my actions tab. And here my action application is going to be Plutio. So I'm going to search for that and I need to select Plutio here. Now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and create person will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I need to connect Plutio with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Plutio, I need to give my client ID, client secret and the business identifier. So here first I'm going to give my business identifier. And here in my Plutio account, the business identifier is going to be my subdomain. And I'm going to find my business identifier or the subdomain in my Plutio dashboard URL. So for getting the business identifier, I need to take you to my Plutio account. And here this is the dashboard of my Plutio account. And in my path URL, I am going to find my business identifier. And here in my path URL, after this slash, I have my business identifier or the subdomain. So I'm going to copy all this till this .plutio. And I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that here in this tab of business identifier. So this is my subdomain and the business identifier. Now what I need to do is I need to get my client ID and the client secret. So for getting my client secret, I need to open this API link. And in my API link, I need to replace your subdomain in this link. So I'm going to open this link by clicking here. And in this link, what I need to do is I need to replace your subdomain with my subdomain or my business identifier. So I'm going to paste my business identifier here and I'm going to open this link. And here it has successfully taken me to API Manager. Now here in API Manager, what I need to do is I need to create a new connection. So I'm going to click on this button of create a connection. And here I need to give my connection name. So here my connection name is going to be business proposal. And now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on create. And here after clicking on create, I have created this client ID and the client secret. So I'm going to copy all these details and I'm going to paste that in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do the same. And here I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on save. And I have connected Plutio with Pabbly Connect. Now here for creating a person, what I need to do is I need to fill all these details. And here in this tab, I'm going to add the detail of my lead that I have received from ConvertBox. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill all the details that I have received from my form submission. And I'm going to add that responses of the lead here in this tab. So here in this tab, I'm going to add the required details and I'm going to map those details. So for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open the response of ConvertBox and here this is the first name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I have to map the last name. Now I'm going to map the email address. So I need to click here. I will open this response of ConvertBox. And here this is the email address of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Also, I'm going to map the phone number. And here I have filled the phone number. Now I'm going to scroll down. And here I have this option of invite person. So if I want to send the invitation message to this person, I can select this option of yes, but I don't want to send an invitation. So I'm going to select no. And now I need to scroll down and I need to give the person role. So here I want to create this person as a client. So I'm going to give my person role as, so I have to type that manually here. And here I have to give my city. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of ConvertBox. And here I have the address or the city of my lead. So I'm going to map this. And now I have filled all the required details. And in the last, I have to give the country code. So here I need to give the country code of my country. Here I'm going to give the country code of India, which is IN. And you can give country code according to you. Now here I have filled all the required details. So what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Quiz button. And here I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have created a new person in my Plutio account with all the detail of my lead that I have received through ConvertBox. So to check this, let me take you back to Plutio. I'm going to go to Contacts. And here in Contacts, we can see I have created this new person which has the user role of client. And here I have the name of my person, that is John Doe. I have the email address, that is johndoe@pabblytudes.com. And I have this random phone number of my lead. So here we can see I have added all the detail of my lead, and by using those lead detail, I have created a new person in Plutio and I have received this lead detail through my response of ConvertBox. So automatically by using the response of ConvertBox, I have created a new person in Plutio, and now what I need to do is I need to create a new proposal for this particular person for the consultancy service. So for creating a proposal, I need to first add a proposal template. And I have already created a proposal template, and for creating a proposal template, you need to go to template library. So I'm going to open that. And here I need to create a template for proposals. So I'm going to open proposals. And here for proposals, I have these two templates of consultancy proposal and consultation. So here these are my templates and I can use any of the template here to create a proposal for my lead that I have received through ConvertBox. So here I'm going to use this consultancy proposal, and for creating a proposal for my person, I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And for creating the proposal, I need to add my last action step. So here again, my action application is going to be Plutio. So I'm going to select that. And I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And create proposal will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Plutio with Pabbly Connect again in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And I have already built this connection between Plutio and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use that existing connection. And I need to click on save. And now for creating a proposal, I need to fill all these details. So first I need to give my proposal name. So here I'm going to map the name of my proposal that I've received through the response of ConvertBox. So I'm going to click here. And here I'm going to open this response of ConvertBox. And here in this response, I have the name for proposal that is Easy Trade. So I'm going to map this. And now I need to select my proposal template. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to select this template of consultancy proposal. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to select my project. So I only have one project in my Plutio account, so that is already selected. But if you have more projects, then you can select the particular project that you want to use for creating proposal. And now I need to give my person. So here I have already created a person in my previous tab of Plutio, and I want to create this proposal for that particular person. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the detail or the person ID of that particular person from the previous tab. And after mapping that person ID, what is going to happen is that as I'm going to get a new lead from ConvertBox for my clients, then automatically I will create a person in Plutio. And as I'm going to create a new person, then automatically while creating a proposal, I'm going to use the new lead or the new person detail for creating a new proposal. So for mapping, I need to first toggle on this map button and I need to clear this default response. And now I need to map my person ID. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Plutio and here I need to search for the person ID. So here this is the person ID of my person. So I'm going to map this. And now here I have mapped all the required details. So as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response of ConvertBox for the new lead, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Now I have filled all the required details, so I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. Now here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have created a new proposal for my person, and for the person I have used all the detail of my lead that I have received through ConvertBox. So here I have created the proposal for my lead that I have received through ConvertBox. So to check whether I have created a proposal or not, I'm going to take you back to Plutio. And here in Plutio, I will go to proposals. And here in proposals, we can see I have created this proposal for Easy Trade. So this is the name of my proposal. And here I have created this proposal for the person that is named as John Doe. So here I'm going to open this proposal. And here I have created this proposal for John Doe. Email is johndoe@pabblytudes.com. I have this random phone number of my person. And I have the address city that is Bhopal, country is India. So here we can see I have successfully created this proposal, and here I have created this proposal for amount of $1,540, and here I have successfully created this proposal for the lead or the client that I have received as an inquiry from my ConvertBox form submission. So here we can see I have successfully created this proposal for my ConvertBox form submission, and through my ConvertBox form submission I'm going to receive my lead who are interested in my consultancy services. So as I'm going to receive the interested client or the interested lead, then automatically by using all the detail of that lead from my ConvertBox form submission, I'm going to create a proposal for that particular lead in Plutio. So here I have successfully created this automation between ConvertBox and Plutio, and now as I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry through my ConvertBox form submission, then automatically I will create a new proposal for that particular lead. So here I have created this connection and this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you back there. And here I've created this connection between ConvertBox and Plutio to automatically create Plutio proposal on ConvertBox form submission. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was ConvertBox and my trigger event was new lead submission. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Plutio, and here my action event was create person. Then in the last I have again used Plutio to create proposal. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.